Today, we will focus on harnessing the energy of our solar plexus and using it to connect deeply with others. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and out. Imagine a warm, glowing light in your solar plexus, right in the center of your torso. Feel this light growing stronger and brighter with each breath you take. This is your personal power, your energy source. Visualize this powerful light expanding from your solar plexus, reaching out to those you love. See the faces of your family, close friends, and loved ones. Feel the warmth and love flowing from your solar plexus to theirs, connecting you deeply. As this energy connection strengthens, notice how it feels to share your energy and to receive theirs in return. Bask in this mutual exchange of love and light. Next, let this golden light extend further, connecting with your wider circle of friends and people you care about. Picture them clearly and feel the bond of friendship and affection growing stronger. Feel the energy flow effortlessly between you, creating a network of positive, supportive connections. You are all linked by this powerful light from your solar plexus. this energy expand even more, reaching out to all the people you've ever met in your life. Visualize their faces and feel your light touching them, bringing warmth and positive energy into their lives. Experience the vast network of connections you've built throughout your life, and know that this energy is flowing freely among all of you, enhancing your collective well-being. Finally, imagine your solar plexus light spreading out to encompass every living person on this planet. Visualize the Earth and see your light connecting with every other soul, creating a web of shared energy and humanity. Feel the incredible power of this global connection. You are part of something much larger than yourself, contributing to and receiving energy from the entire human race. Take a moment to fully experience this profound connection. Breathe deeply and let this energy recharge you, knowing that you are supported by the collective energy of all humanity. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently bring your focus back to your own solar plexus. Feel the light within you, strong and vibrant. Know that you can tap into this energy and these connections whenever you need. Take a deep breath in and out. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of connection and energy with you into your day.